Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the pieces you need, an API key and the correct endpoint. Paste the key into a secure variable or vault, never hard-code it. Once done, confirm the base URL and the specific route you'll call, and prepare headers like authorization and content type. Make sure you have an HTTP client ready, curl for quick tests, or a language library for automation. This first step gets you from idea to an executable request. Proceed only when the key and endpoint respond. Now construct the request body and test. Begin with a minimal JSON payload, model, prompt, and any controls like temperature or max tokens. Use the authorization header with bearer plus your key and set content type to application/JSON. Send a small test call to verify a 200 status and expected JSON fields. Inspect error codes and message bodies when they occur. Once the minimal call succeeds, expand parameters and handle pagination or stream. Finish by integrating the call into your app and adding resilience. Wrap requests with retry logic. Use exponential backoff for transient 5xx errors and fail fast for 4xx client issues so you can correct inputs. Sanitize logs to avoid leaking keys, rotate credentials periodically, and store keys in environment variables or secret stores. Monitor usage and set alerts for quota or error spikes. If things go wrong, reproduce the failing payload with curl and the same headers to isolate client versus server causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.